Hi guys, welcome back to AKitchenAdvisor channel. As always, we keep sharing with you the best recipes for busy families. Today we are making instant pot barbecue whole chicken. You may find the links to the products that we used in this recipe below the video. Rinse the chicken and dry it with paper towels. Use a sharp knife and cut it down into the middle of the chicken breast. Turn it around and make it as flat as possible. Season the chicken generously on both sides. If you have time, you can put it aside and marinate it for a couple of hours. Set up the steam rack and pour 1 cup of water. Place the bird inside the instant pot on the steam rack. Close the lid and turn the steam release handle to sealing position. Select pressure cook program. Choose high pressure mode. Set time to 10 minutes. When time is up, make a quick release. Take out the chicken by holding the steam rack handles. Be very careful as it is hot inside. Baste the bird with your favorite barbecue sauce. We used Mr. Spice. Place the chicken on the barbecue grill and spread the sauce evenly on the other side. Caramelize it for a couple of minutes on each side. It is ready now. Take it out from the barbecue and enjoy it. Look at this beauty. It is really juicy, tender and very attractive. Serve it when it is hot with any side dish. Don't forget to press the like button. If you are new at our channel, consider subscribing so you won't miss any of the best recipes for busy families. Check our website AKitchenAdvisor.com for more yummy and easy instant pot recipes.